No one can really predict how high you might soar. What's stopping you from reaching heights when your wings already exists? All you have to do is fly.